Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Friend, where we explore the best AI tools to supercharge your creativity. Today, we're diving into Midjourney AI, the powerful AI image generator that turns text into stunning digital artwork. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this full tutorial will cover how to write the perfect prompt, the art of advanced prompting, how to modify and enhance your AI creations. If you're ready to level up your AI art skills, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get started. Midjourney operates through text prompts, descriptions that guide the AI in generating your image. The key to success? Keep it clear and specific. Here are some tips to improve your prompts. 1. Be concise and direct. Instead of saying, "a highly detailed painting of a futuristic city with neon colors and cyberpunk aesthetics in a rainy setting at night," try "cyberpunk city, neon lights, rainy night, digital painting." 2. Use the right words. Be descriptive and specific. Instead of big, use gigantic or massive. Instead of beautiful, use elegant, stunning, or mesmerizing. 3. Numbers matter. If you want multiple objects, specify 3 walking cats instead of cats in street. 4. Focus on what you want. Avoid negative phrasing. Instead of "a cozy reading nook without bright lights and no modern furniture," say "a cozy reading nook with a vintage armchair surrounded by houseplants, soft lighting, warm tones, and a realistic atmosphere." By stating what you want instead of what you don't, you guide Midjourney more effectively and ensure better results. By mastering prompt basics, you'll get more accurate and visually stunning AI-generated art. Once you've nailed the basics, it's time to level up your prompts with some advanced techniques. Artistic mediums, time periods, emotions, colors, environments. Let's explore each of these with examples. 1. Artistic mediums. Specifying a medium can dramatically change the style of your generated image. For instance, using the prompt "watercolor style cat" will yield a soft, fluid depiction, while pixel art cat results in a nostalgic 8-bit appearance. Experiment with mediums like graffiti, ukiyo-e, or oil painting to see how each influences the outcome. 2. Time periods. Adding a historical context can give your images a distinctive feel. For example, illustration of a 1920s cat might showcase Art Deco influences, whereas illustration of a 1980s cat could reflect bold colors and patterns reminiscent of that era. Explore different decades or centuries to infuse your images with unique historical styles. 3. Emotions. Emotions can add depth and personality to your creations. Prompting "joyful cat" versus "sad cat" will evoke different expressions and atmospheres in the generated images. Consider emotions like shy, determined, or sleepy to convey various moods. 4. Colors. Colors play a crucial role in setting the tone. Specifying hues can lead to striking results. For instance, neon-colored cat will produce a vibrant, glowing image, while sepia-colored cat offers a vintage, warm feel. Experiment with color descriptors like pastel, iridescent, or grayscale to achieve your desired aesthetic. 5. Environments. Placing your subject in a specific setting can completely alter the narrative. Cat in a jungle versus cat in a city provides contrasting backdrops that influence the overall composition. Try environments such as tundra, desert, or crystal forest to see how context transforms your images. By thoughtfully combining these elements, you can craft prompts that guide Midjourney to generate images that closely match your creative vision. While we used a cat as the main subject in the examples, these techniques apply to absolutely anything: people, landscapes, objects, or entire scenes. Remember, experimentation is key. Mix and match different components to find what best fits your unique artistic style. Once you've generated an image, click on it in your Create or Organize page to reveal the Creation Actions menu. Here, you'll find several options to refine your artwork. First up, Variations. This feature allows you to create multiple versions of your image with subtle or significant differences. It's perfect when you're satisfied with an image but want to explore alternative interpretations. By selecting Vary, Midjourney generates new images based on the original, offering fresh perspectives while retaining core elements. Next, let's talk about upscaling. This tool enlarges your image's dimensions. Creative upscale not only increases size but also adds subtle enhancements, giving your image extra polish. If you prefer to enlarge without alterations, choose subtle upscale. Upscaling is essential for achieving higher resolution and finer details in your creations. Now, on to Remix. This powerful feature lets you iterate on your image by modifying the prompt text. With Remix, you can change both the description and parameters, steering your image's development in new directions. Remix opens up endless possibilities for creativity by allowing you to reimagine your images with different concepts. Midjourney's editor combines several tools for comprehensive image modification. With Pan, you can expand your image's canvas in a specific direction, adding more content and altering the aspect ratio. This is useful for extending scenes or adding elements to your composition. Zoom out adds context by expanding the image beyond its current borders, incorporating additional elements around all sides. Use this to create a broader scene or place your subject within a larger environment. Vary region, or the erase tool, allows you to edit specific parts of your image. By painting over an area, you can prompt Midjourney to regenerate that section while keeping the rest intact. This feature is perfect for making precise alterations without affecting the entire image. Midjourney makes it incredibly easy to build on your past creations using visual references. Under the Creation Actions menu, you'll find Use buttons that give you 3 powerful tools: Image Prompt, Style Reference, and Character Reference. First up, Image Prompt. This allows you to use any image, whether you created it in Midjourney or uploaded it, as the visual foundation for a new creation. Just click Use Image Prompt, and Midjourney will interpret the visual elements in your image and use them to influence the next generation. Next, Style Reference. This lets you extract the overall vibe, colors, lighting, composition from an image and apply it to a completely new subject. It's perfect for keeping visual consistency across your projects. Finally, Character Reference is all about visual continuity for characters. Midjourney will try to retain a character's core features, like facial structure, hairstyle, and clothing, across different settings or poses. Ideal for storytelling, branding, or animation planning. These options make Midjourney not just a tool for creating one-off images, but a platform for crafting entire worlds, styles, and stories, all with just a few clicks and creative prompts. And that's a complete guide to Midjourney AI. Whether you're just starting or already experimenting with AI-generated art, these tips will help you create stunning images with precision and creativity. If you found this tutorial useful, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered content. Drop a comment below with your best AI prompt, and we might feature it in our next video. Thanks for watching.